Hello everybody, welcome back to Civics. Today is the 24th of June 2022 and things are bad. Why are they bad, you ask? Well, the Supreme Court is no longer doing the job it is supposed to do, and that is because several other branches of our government have made it no longer a nonpartisan institution. Now, you may say that that's ridiculous. The Supreme Court has always been a partisan institution, and you're right, it always has been slightly partisan. The people who appoint Supreme Court justices are, of course, have political views, and they are from political parties, but still, until rather recently, Supreme Court justices have at least acted like they aren't partisan. It was kind of part of the institution. You weren't supposed to openly endorse partisan politics. However, the Supreme Court now has become a partisan institution openly due to people like Clarence Thomas and our three new Trump-appointed judges, Amy Coney Barrett and the other two people. They blend together at this point. The point being is that these people, in the last several weeks, actually, have begun to unravel the rights of the people in our country. First of all, a week or two ago, they made it so that the state of Maine does have to give public funds to religious schools in certain instances. However, that's just a small step for making it available to anything, making the school choice movement valid. Then they followed it up a couple days ago by saying that we're allowed to carry handguns wherever we want, and that there is no way to stop that from happening. And then today they finished that up by finally overturning Roe versus Wade, the law, the case that has allowed women to have abortions for the last 50 years. That being said, these rights are now restricted. All sorts of states now have no abortion rights, and those things will continue to get worse as the Supreme Court starts to tear apart our civil liberties. They still have cases on the docket for their summer session, and they still have more damage that they can do this year. What can we do to stop this? Well, first of all, we can cast some blame, not just at the Republicans, because of course they are the ones who have put these people in the power to do this sort of thing, but we can also blame the Democrats for not codifying or having an amendment passed with these rights protected in it. They were able to just say, well, that's good enough the way it is, and we're just going to sit with it. So it's kind of everyone's fault. The people who are in charge of us, we put in power, who we gave the right to vote and legislate for us, have let us down. And we should let them know that it's their fault. They're the ones who could have stopped it from happening, and they let it happen. So there you go. If you're holding office, congrats. You have a lot of people who are incredibly angry at you now. Remember, the fourth pillar of government is supposed to be the people, and we the people have the right to vote. So at least we will until the Supreme Court takes that away too. Anyway, we'll see you next time, I guess, with more civics as more civil liberties are stripped away and the rights that we have under our Constitution are limited more and more. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time on Civics. Bye.